afternoon, everyone. This is Tony from Her Homestead Skills, and today is the big election day that everyone's been waiting for. The Conservatives have been pushing for it for a long time when Trudeau was the Prime Minister. And once again, as soon as the reins got handed over to Mark Carney, he called an election quickly. So here we are. Today's the final day. Everyone has been, well, both parties, all parties, because there are a few other ones, but the only ones of any consequence right now are the Liberals and the Conservatives. Yeah, they've been working very hard to try and get the votes out. I don't know how many phone calls I've received, plus emails from our local riding, but I had already voted during the advanced polling, the advanced voting opportunity that was presented to us. So yeah, here we are. And Mark is out right now putting door hangers on doors. I mean, he's trying to do anything he can to help. He's always, well, the last 3 elections he has worked for trying to get the Conservatives elected. So we'll see how successful we are this time around. I understand that Trump is trolling us again, that he's put out something about, yeah, vote for him, vote for the 51st state, but yeah, that won't happen. I don't know if he feels that that's going to sway things one way or the other, but whatever the case is, it's going to, the results will be in tonight. Probably the polls close at 9 o'clock Ontario time, or 9:30, 9 o'clock, somewhere around there. But that means that in the East Coast, they will have closed already, and we should start seeing some results from the East Coast by 7-ish our time. And that might be a telltale sign of which way it's all going. If they all vote Liberal there, then I guess we're headed for a Liberal party, a Liberal election. If, on the other hand, a lot of them have switched and voted Conservative, there still might be a chance. But then when it comes to Ontario and Quebec, we'll have a better understanding. I mean, we know the West is pretty much Conservative, so except for maybe BC, but by the time we get to BC, the writing will be on the wall. So by 11 o'clock tonight, we should have complete results, hopefully. And tomorrow morning, we will wake up to a brand new day. Anyway, that's it for now. Talk to you soon.